what we got this morning? So, Renault Twingo. Can't remember ever doing one of those. I'm sure I have done. Listen for a clutch anyway. I've got a clue what's wrong with it. 34 minutes and 15 miles, so not too far. So yeah, mate, let's get to it. Yo, yo, yo. Right, this is a culprit, this little pea shooter here. But, already got an issue before we start. Yeah. So, this has got an internal eccentric slave. And a bloody subframe on it for some weird reason. Good start to the day, isn't it? That sun's bright, man, I can't even see. But the issue we have got, so a part said they could only get a two-piece clutch and a separate bearing, which is fine. It's the two-piece clutch. The problem is, the separate bearing they've given me is a release bearing. Nice bloody hydraulic. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for him to get mad at me. What a ball ache. Yeah, so this one I can't do. So yeah, I'll let you know how we get on. It's a good start of the day, isn't it? I ain't gonna swear.